Hello and assalamu alaikum to everyone out there listening to me right now. This is me Rj Irij with you guys. So today I'm gonna show you something. So all of you might have heard the name of Beautify by Amna, and some of you might have used her makeup products as well. I must say that they are just simply amazing. So what I'm actually gonna tell you in this video is about her giveaway. So I took a part in her recent giveaway and won it. Then I received so many messages asking whether I received that giveaway or not, was that fake or real, and many more messages. So many of them asked me to show the products which were given to me. So I made this video and yes, I received that giveaway, and every single product is amazing. Watch the video till the end. I'll unbox it and I'll open the giveaway in front of you and show each and every product and will give my honest review about it. So let's get started. This is how it came to me in a box, and you can see giveaway winner written on it. So what's in it? Wow, you can see how beautiful is the packaging, and I'm just simply loving its sparkly packaging. This by Beautify by Amna, and this is the second one. Amazing packaging. So this is the third one. So I received 3 packets. I'm living for the packaging. This is just so beautiful. So these are the 3 packets which I received in that box. So let's come and open each and every single one of them. So let's unbox the first one. Okay, let's open and see what's in it. Shiny packet, sparkling. Okay, what's in it? And wow, a beautiful box. Dying to open it now. You can see Beautify by Amna written on it. Okay, so let's open it now and check what's in it. Yo, wow, so many products in a single box. What's this? Okay, it's a makeup remover cream, I guess. Okay, so what's next? Wow, these color pops. Open it and check. Wow, beautiful. It's a matte lip color. It's really very beautiful, and you should buy it. Let's check another color. Matte. It's matte and it will make a beautiful look to your lips. You can see it. Wow, amazing color. Let's rub it and check. Trust me, it will give a beautiful color to your lips and you'll simply love it. And it's so long lasting as well. I have used it. So what's next? Okay, this is an Urban Decay glitter eyeliner. Beautiful. You can see this glitter eyeliner. It will make your eyes look more beautiful. Okay, so what's next? Eyelashes. 3D eyelashes by Beautify by Amna. Trust me, their eyelashes are just amazing. Another one. 3D eyelashes. Okay, so here's another one as well. Next is this soft contour cream. Okay, let's open it. Wow, beautiful. Okay, you can see it. It's so nice. Okay, so next is this glittery color pop. This is another color. Let's open it and check. Wow, it's so shiny and the color is so beautiful. You can see its shine, its sparkle. Maybe it's not visible in this video, but trust me, it's amazing. It's beautiful. So what's next? Okay, our most favorite product, Perfect Primer by Beautify by Amna. This is everyone's favorite. Trust me, it's amazing and you should have it. This Perfect Foundation Primer by Beautify by Amna. Let me pour this on my hand and wow, it feels so soft. Let's rub it and yes, it's really very smooth and soft. I have used it as well and it's amazing. It feels like one of those high-end primers. So let's unbox the second package. Their packaging is just love. Okay, another box by Beautify by Amna. You can see written on it. This box is so beautiful, right? So let's open it. Okay, so what's in it? Oh, wow. Beauty blenders. Oh my god. These foundation blenders by Beautify by Amna. They are amazing. In different colors. This is black one. Orange. Pink. Wow. And at the last, yellow one. Beautiful. So let's open and check how it actually feels like. Wow. It's so soft and smooth. And it looks so beautiful as well. You can see it. Wow, let me rub it. Wow, trust me, it's so beautiful, it's so soft and beautiful. So next is this loose setting powder by Beautify by Amna. You can see how amazing it is. It worked on my hand as well. Beautiful. I have used this one as well, and it really gives a glam to your skin. Okay, so let's open the third packet. Oh, what's in it now? OMG. Guess what's in my makeup bag? Beautify by Amna. Your packaging is just love. Okay, let's open it and check what's in it. 1, 2, 3 and go. Wow. So many products. So what's this? MAC. Wow. Beautiful. So shiny and sparkling. You can imagine how beautiful will it look like. You can see the shine. It's beautiful. Really beautiful. Okay, so what's next? Okay, makeup brush cleaner. You can clean your brushes by using this. So cool. Oh wow. A makeup bag by Beautifybyamna. Beautiful. Okay, wow. Nude palette by Huda Beauty. Beautiful. It's one of an amazing product. Let's open it. And wow. Nude palette by Huda Beauty. Wow. Glitter eyeshadows, matte eyeshadows, both in a single palette. Beautiful. Just check out these colors. How amazing these are. How beautiful. I'm loving it. Ooh. Okay. What's next? Oh, a liquid eyeliner. Okay, so wow, lip palette by Anastasia. Okay, let's open it. These colors mentioned. Okay, open it and let's see. Wow. It's beautiful. It's just beautiful. Lip palette. Amazing colors. Okay. Wow. Okay, so what's next? Oh wow. Amazing. Let's open it and check. Naked Urban Decay. Open it, open it. Yes. Wow. These beautiful eyeshadow colors. Especially for that smoky makeup look. These colors are amazing and I'm just dying to use them. There's a brush as well. You can see every product is original. Okay, so what's next? OMG. Oh My Blush Palette by Beautify by Amna, which is just recently launched by her, and it's one of the product which is my favorite. I just simply love it. Trust me, it's amazing. So let's open it. Wow. Beautiful. Simply beautiful. Okay, so let's open it. Wow. You can see two colors, rose and coral, with a mixture of three colors in it. Red, pink and white, then orange, pink and white. Okay, you can use these three together to highlight your skin. It's simply beautiful. You must buy it because I just loved using it. You can see how shining and sparkling it is. It will give a beautiful glow to your skin. Okay. So these were the three products which were sent to me in the giveaway, and I simply loved each and every single product, and especially their sparkling and beautiful packaging. So that's all, and my honest review is you should buy it because their products are simply amazing beyond my words. So thank you so much for watching the video, and bye bye.